If you're considering buying SOAX, there are a few things you need to know before you dive in. Whether you're a digital marketer, data scraper, or simply need reliable proxy services, SOAX offers some compelling features, but it's essential to know how it stacks up against its competitors and whether it's the right fit for your needs. Now, before we dive in, make sure to check out the first link in the description for the best offer on SOAX, including an exclusive free trial. Trust me, you'll want to stick around for the end to get all the details. Let's get into the first thing you need to know. SOAX is a premium proxy provider. While there are plenty of proxy services on the market, SOAX stands out for its vast range of residential and mobile proxies. Unlike other services, which might rely more heavily on data center proxies, SOAX's residential proxies are sourced from real users, making them harder to detect by websites. This means greater anonymity and less risk of being blocked, something that competitors like Bright Data or Oxylabs can't always offer at the same scale. Next thing, SOAX offers a user-friendly interface, making it easy to navigate even if you're not a tech expert. Setting up and managing your proxies is straightforward, with a clean dashboard and detailed reporting. It's far more intuitive than other proxies, like those from Scraper API, where users often find themselves struggling with setup. The simplicity of SOAX's system gives you more time to focus on your work instead of worrying about the technical side. The third thing you should know is SOAX's pricing structure. It's designed to be flexible for different user needs, but it can be more expensive than some of its competitors, like Smart Proxy or Proxy Rack. However, you're paying for quality and reliability, and in the long run, the ROI can justify the extra cost. The pricing is based on bandwidth usage, which means you only pay for what you use. Great if you need proxies on a pay-as-you-go basis, rather than committing to a high monthly rate. And don't forget, you can test SOAX for free via the link below to see if it fits your budget and needs. Next thing, SOAX's proxy rotation is top-notch. One of the biggest challenges with proxies is getting stuck with IP bans or high failure rates, especially if you're scraping data in bulk. SOAX's rotating proxies ensure you get fresh IPs regularly, reducing the chances of encountering those issues. Their proxy pool is also massive, offering over 8 million IPs across different locations, which is a huge advantage over competitors like GeoSurf, which has a more limited number of IPs in certain regions. The fifth thing, location flexibility, is one of SOAX's strong points. With proxies from over 120 countries, you can access geo-restricted content worldwide. This is a step up from other services like Storm proxies, which have a more limited selection of locations. For anyone looking to access specific regional content or run localized ad campaigns, SOAX makes this process seamless. Sixth, SOAX's customer support is outstanding. When it comes to proxies, issues can sometimes arise, and when they do, having responsive, knowledgeable support is crucial. SOAX offers 24/7 support, and many users report quick resolutions to issues. This level of support is something that many smaller competitors just can't match, and it's a feature I've personally found reassuring when I've used their services. Finally, SOAX is trusted by major companies in various industries, including e-commerce, data scraping, and ad verification. It's not just about the tools they provide, it's about the track record. Many businesses prefer SOAX because they can rely on it for heavy-duty use. The scalability and reliability are on a different level than services like Proxy Crawl, which might not always be able to handle the same volume or complexity. So if you're ready to take your proxy game to the next level, SOAX is definitely worth considering. And remember, if you want to try SOAX, click the first link in the description to get the best offer and a free trial with exclusive benefits.